Hi guys, so I am giving you a little insight on my IV therapy journey. This is something I am stepping back into post-surgery in addition to prepping for my post-medication cleanse. Oh, I was in this room last time.
Were you?
Yeah.
Is this okay?
Yeah, this is fine.
Perfect.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this works.
Perfect. Here's your water. And
so this is pretty cool. I love this place, you guys. I love the people that work here. I love the nurses that come in, and this is just freaking amazing. Also, you guys know I had to bring my bag because I have my blanket in here, and this chair is a reclining chair, so you know I'm able to. And I also brought my laptop so that I can get some work done. I don't know if you guys can see it in there, but yeah. And so this freaking chair, I can't find the handle on it. Let's watch some Netflix. I know the last time I came in here, I watched All American for the first time, and I freaking loved it. I need to find something good to watch on Netflix though. Okay, this is sore. I'm always ready for it to be over, honestly. So I wanted to let them know about NAD, NAD+. Yes. So if you can get some insight on that, that would be great.
I love that. So NAD stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, which is a crazy long word. So that's why we call it just NAD or NAD. We use energy at a cellular level. So our cells, like I said before, we have trillions of cells within our bodies. So essentially speaking, NAD works in those cells with the mitochondria. So mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, if you remember back to middle school biology, we need that mitochondria to be healthy and strong, to be able to get energy producing process and get that energy from our cells and get it out to our bodies for us to be able to use. So ultimately speaking, when we do NAD, we recommend here at Hydrate what is called our NAD protocol. That protocol is a series of 5 infusions over 10 to 12 days. So we want to see our clients 5 times in 10 to 12 days. We start them out at 250 milligrams, and then we go up to 500 milligrams for the remaining 4 infusions. So ultimately speaking, again, NAD, we are seeing results with our clients of tons and tons of energy. We are seeing better sleep patterns. I personally myself have done the NAD protocol, and that was my biggest benefit from the full protocol. I wasn't sleeping any longer, but I was sleeping so much better, and I was waking up in the morning ready to go. I've got 4 young kids, so I was on my game, ready to take on every single day. Mental clarity is another huge benefit that we're seeing with our clients. We're seeing people who have suffered from anxiety and depression. We're seeing decreasing in them. We're just seeing so many benefits from, again, our NAD protocol. We want to touch as many of those cells as we can, which is why we recommend that 5 series of infusions. So ultimately speaking, NAD can do wonderful things. We're hearing our clients say that it was life-changing. We are just so excited for many people to come in and try it out and see what their bodies actually can do. So as we age, we're exposed to all kinds of toxins in the environment, unfortunately. We're exposed to toxins throughout our food, unfortunately. So all of that, plus stress, plus anxiety, all that stuff degrades, again, that mitochondria that we have. So we want to rebuild the health of the mitochondria. So we know that NAD, when it's infused intravenously, we are getting actually biogenesis of the mitochondria, which means we're healing and regenerating the mitochondria that we already have that maybe has slowed down, and we're getting brand new mitochondria. So ultimately speaking, it's anti-aging us because as, again, we age, that mitochondria slows down. So we're actually reversing that aging process from a cellular standpoint. It's amazing. We are just so excited for anybody who comes in and wants to learn about it because, again, we have seen just such drastic benefits from our clients. So all of us are really trained over here at Hydrate Alpharetta. We love the NAD. We love telling people about it. So please give us a call, come on in and see us, and yeah.
So I'm taking a road trip to South Carolina because there's so much stuff I need to get done. I am also going grocery shopping to get ready for this post-medication cleanse. I cannot wait. So many different medications I was on, and I'm just ready to flush it all out of my system. So I'm in South Carolina, and they don't have a Kroger or an International Market. So Harris Teeter is the closest thing to Kroger, and this is where we're at. So I am juicing tonight, and I want to switch it up a little bit. So I think I am going to juice up some lime with some kiwi. I'm allergic to mangoes, so I'm not touching that, and some oranges. Ooh, I love it. Yay! They do not have any seeded grapes, so I will not be getting any grapes today. Now this is a hot mess. Why they did the tamarinds like that? They are wrong. Dead wrong. So I am going to get a couple of kiwis, which I already got some, but I'm getting more. So this is what I have so far. And I need to get some more apples, and then we are out the door. Look how beautiful this is. Ooh. Okay, it's now time to head to the register. Ready to check out. I got my stuff. Yay. I'm ready to juice because I juiced yesterday and was so busy today that I didn't have a chance to juice, so I am getting to it. We're doing self-checkout to make this quick. Once I wrap it up here in South Carolina, I am headed to Charlotte, and I cannot wait to take you guys with me. I know I keep talking about post-surgery and post-medication cleanse, but just to give you guys a little more detail, my cleanse will begin on April 10th, so feel free to join in with me if you want. Also, please do not kill me about the plastic bags. I officially went plastic free a couple of weeks ago and left all my shopping bags at home. Unfortunately, Harris Teeter didn't have any shopping tote bags, so I had to suck it up and get the plastic bags. Just to let you know, I will be vlogging my juicing journey as well, so stay tuned in. Charlotte, here we come.